वेंचणूक रोलांत नांवां घालपाची प्रक्रिया आयतारा सोंपता। 4 फेब्रुवारीक जावपी वेंचणुका खातीर 11 जानेवारी ते 18 जानेवारी मजगतीं वेंचणूक लडोवपाक इच्छूक आशिल्ल्या उमेदवारांचे अर्ज रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर स्विकारतले। सकाळचे 11 ते दनपारचे 3 मेरेन अर्ज स्विकारतले। 14 आनी 15 जानेवारीक सरकारी सुटी आसतली, अशी माहिती उत्तर गोंय जिल्लोधिकारी नीला मोहनन हांणी दिल्या। आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान सुशील शुक्ला।
We have a total of 5,09,865 voters registered as of today. As you are aware, tomorrow is the last date for the acceptance of the Form 6 for inclusion of names in the electoral roll. The figure that I am saying is as of today. As of today, we have 5,09,865 voters enrolled in North Goa district, out of which 2,50,554 are male voters and 2,59,311 are female voters. We have 794 polling stations spread out across the 19 assembly constituencies that fall under North Goa district. You are all aware of the dates as announced by the Election Commission of India, and according to that schedule, the notification of election will be released on 11th of January, and on the same day we begin the process of acceptance of nomination forms from the candidates. And the nomination forms will be received by the respective returning officers between 11 AM and 3 PM from 11th of January till the last date of filing of nominations, which is the 18th of January. In between, we have 2 days, 14th and 15th. 14th is a second Saturday, and as per instructions of the ECI, it is coming under the coverage of the Negotiable Instruments Act. Therefore, 14th will be a holiday and no nominations will be accepted. We just received the directions yesterday. 15th, of course, is a Sunday, and therefore, no nominations will be accepted. So, leaving aside these 2 days, nomination forms will be received by the respective returning officers between 11 AM to 3 PM from 11th of January up till 18th of January. The Deputy Collector Panjim will receive the nominations from his office at the Collectorate North, and there are 4 more returning officers for the Taluka of Tiswadi. They will receive the nomination forms from the ground floor of the annex building of ESG, the Entertainment Society of Goa. In Bardez, all the returning officers will receive the nomination forms at the government complex, where the office of the Mamledar and the Deputy Collector Bardez are. That will be the complex where all the returning officers falling under Bardez Taluka will accept the nominations. For Mandre and Pedne Assembly Constituency, nominations will be accepted at the office of the Deputy Collector Pedne. And for Bicholi, Sankali and Mai Assembly Constituencies, it will be at the government complex Bicholi. And for Valpoi and Podi, it will be at the Mamledar office, Valpoi. All the instructions as issued by Election Commission of India for maintenance of law and order during the period when nominations are accepted at the offices of the returning officers will be strictly maintained, and there will be permission only for the candidate and 4 other persons who will be allowed into the office of the RO for filing of the nomination.